Hello, Wu Jiao here, doing a little update on, if you remember, a few of you might remember, I think I made a video, I called it, Was That There Before? I'm pretty sure that was the name of it. Maybe I'll stick a clip in here. Anyway, I went out to see something that I thought looked like a big arch, a big orange arch, if anyone remembers. Anyway, that was about 3 or 4 weeks ago, and just coming to check on the progress of the bridge. It turned out to be a pumpcrete truck. Unfortunately, it wasn't anything amazing or thrilling, but it was at this spot right here behind me. Let's take a look. Listen to that thing purring like a kitten. So I don't think they're going to set that section of bridge in place today. I think what they're getting ready to do here is take it off the truck and set it onto these welded up blocks of steel there. So maybe we'll at least be able to see that. So for all the preparation that goes into a lift like that, didn't go quite that smoothly from what I saw. The biggest error being the truck pulling away while there was still some weight on the trailer. Looked like he was just about getting ready to get the hunk of bridge in the back of his cab there. I think he came pretty close to having an accident. I think you got to be extra careful with something obviously this big. And they do a lot of preparation here. You saw that they allowed traffic right up until the last second when they stopped all the traffic. They got her down now. And like I said, they won't put that into place unless they get some more weights on the back. Get some more weights on the back of that crane there. Those cables are almost as thick as arms there. You can see that they struggled quite a bit to get those in place. Looks like it takes like 3 guys to manhandle those things. Big operation, but moving pretty quick. Anyway, it was a hyperlapse, so hopefully it won't be nearly as long as it took in real life here. And I may even double the speed on that, so because they took quite a while to rig it up. So hope you found it a little bit interesting. I appreciate you watching. Cherish your comments, and I'll see you next time.